If you ever think childbirth is a joke, wait till you give birth to your own child. If you ever think childbirth is an easy task, wait till you give birth to your own child. I don't know the joy people derive in body shaming women. I don't know the joy they derive in doing that. Why body shame a woman? A woman that carried a child for 9 months. You think it is easy on her? It's actually funny how stuff like this come from women as well. You body shame your fellow woman, saying she has big tummy, she is shapeless, she has veins all over her legs, her skin color has changed, her hair or some of her hair has fallen off. You say a lot of things about your fellow woman who is now a mother, who has given birth, who has gone through 9 months, who has gone through series of cuts and pains. You as a woman who understands better, you decided to body shame her. Probably because you are looking different from her. You feel it's your right to talk down on your fellow woman. Well, I understand. It can only take a bitter woman to do that. It can only take a woman who doesn't know her self-worth to do that, because if you know your self-worth, you shouldn't be body shaming your fellow woman. If you know what womanhood stands for, you shouldn't do that. It will not profit you anything. You are just being, I don't want to use the words, but just respect yourself. Respect yourself. Everybody with their own body type. You are lucky if you are small in nature. Permit me to use that word.